welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be packing for our family beach trip. So if you are interested, please keep watching. So it's the end of the summer. So my husband's work is really busy in summer. So we decided to go on a trip at the end of the summer. Yeah, it's a little late for summer vacation, but I'm so excited and I'm so happy that we can go on a trip. And yeah, I'm so excited. So yeah, let's get started. So these are the things I want to pack in a big suitcase. Yeah. I forgot to mention that trip is 4 days long. So like 3 nights and fourth day, like we go home. So this is like hair stuff, like Dyson Airwrap and hair brushes and stuff. So this is clutch. My husband and I probably go out at night, so yeah, I'm gonna pack one clutch. And this is underwear, like for my girls and myself. And this is toiletry stuff. So these are bathing suit. I kind of like try to match with my girls. Yeah, like kind of purple swimsuit. This is like mermaid swimsuit for the girls. And these are like yellow bikinis. So these are for the girls and lemon print on it. It's so cute. Kind of matching. And this is like a swimming diaper. Yep. Yep. So this is beach towel for my toddler and for myself and my husband. And this is a beach bag. This is huge. So the beach bag I was using when I had only one child. It's way too small for 2 kids, so I got this from Amazon because this is huge, and I think this is like perfect size for a mom with 2 kids. I'm gonna use this as a diaper bag during the trip, so I'm gonna move all the stuff from my diaper bag to this beach bag. There are so many pockets. And this bag is literally huge, like this. So this bag is literally so huge, so I can put like lots of things. Yeah, perfect for 2 kids. And these are matching outfits for the girls and myself. Yeah. Baby and toddler and me. Yep. And this is another outfit for the girls, like matching dresses. And I'm gonna wear a white dress, kind of matching, you know. And another matching outfit, me and the baby and toddler. And this is the outfit, the final day outfit, like just like really comfy. Like the final day, Sunday, we're gonna just come home. So yeah, really comfy. Yeah, for the baby, like onesie, and really comfy, like t-shirt and shorts for the toddler. Okay. And these are my swimsuit cover-ups. Yeah, like I'm gonna bring 3 cover-ups. Yeah, I'm extra like that. So these are the outfits I picked out for the night out with my hubby. We are not sure we're gonna go out, just 2 of us yet, but after we put the girls down for the night, we might. Yeah, like late at night. So yeah, just in case. And yeah, this is for my husband, so I skipped that. And this is pajamas for myself and the girls, and just like comfy clothes for the baby. Yeah, like onesies and just comfy clothes like pajamas. And these are the Toddlers flip-flops, and this is the flip-flops for myself, and this is a pair of heels, and these are wedgies, so these are mine. Yep. And this is all snacks for the girls, and I'm gonna pack some fruit on the day we are leaving. Yep. So these are the everything I'm gonna pack in the suitcase. Let's pack. I already packed the top part of the suitcase. I don't know what you call it, but this is a jewelry case, and this is like jasmine tea bags. I always drink Japanese green tea in the morning. And this is like a sand removal, like little pouch. And this is like tanning lotion for my hubby. And this is like a shampoo and like body lotion and stuff. And this is shampoo for kids. And yeah, this is like socks for my hubby. And this. These are the Yeti can, what do you call it? This is a can cooler. Yeah, you can put like can in it and it stay really cool like for really long period of time. And this is a sunscreen spray for kids. And this is a fan stroller. Fan for the stroller. Yeah, this shows how many percentage the battery left. Oh, what? That's cool. And yeah, that's all I packed at the lid of the suitcase. And this is for my hubby, and I think this is for like beer can. And the pink one is like seltzer or like long can. Yeah, I love this powder baby pink color. I love it. And this is my daughter enjoying the suitcase. Bubble. Yeah, this is like bath. So this is like liquid detergent and Tide Pods and dryer sheets. We're gonna stay at Airbnb type of house, so they have washer and dryer. So I'm gonna bring these. Okay. Ready. So I forgot about some stuff. So this is baby carrier. And this is diaper. I mentioned about swimming diapers, but these are like normal diapers. Yeah. And I saw this hack. So use like a plastic tablecloth to make a little like a baby pool on the beach. So I got this from Dollar Tree. So yeah, these are the extra things we're gonna put in the suitcase. Yeah. Somebody woke up. Okay, so I'm gonna move stuff from my diaper bag to the beach bag. Okay. So the beach bag is huge. So we are going to the beach as soon as we get there. So I want to put everything we need. Yeah, this is the chaos. Nani? No. Kira,これね。Okay. I'm gonna give them some snacks. I'll be right back. So this is the beach bag. Sunscreen. Beach towel for Toddler. Beach towel. Yeti can cooler thing and snacks for the girls. Just put it in the front pocket, like little snacks that I have in diaper bag. I'm gonna add more later. This is the swinging diapers and band-aid. And wallet. Wipes. Tie pins. And hand sanitizer. And sand removable pouch. Stroller fan. And the baby is coughing, but she's fine. She's eating grapes and lippies. Hi. Done? Okay, I think that's all I need for the trip. And the lotion. Ooh. Whoa! Oh yeah. I think that's everything I need. Yeah. I can fit a lot more. There is plenty of space left. Yeah, so I can put more drinks or something. Yeah, this is perfect. Huge. Yeah, we're good to go.
Let's go.
Yay. Okay. So. So cute! So So this is everything we're gonna bring in the suitcase and beach bag, and I'm gonna show you what we ordered from Amazon for the beach. So this is the big stuff. So so most of the things here are from Amazon. So this is a beach tent. Yeah, same size as Luana. And I ordered this not for this trip. This is for like a picnic or even beach. Like this is like picnic sheet. Yeah, it's a waterproof and so this is waterproof and everything. So this is a big like sheet that you can sit on. And this is a beach toy. Yeah, a new one, and like the things we already had combined. So a lot of toys. So this is a baby beach chair. We got the exact same chair for my firstborn when she was baby, but we threw it away and we really liked it, so we ordered the exact same one again for the baby. And these are chairs for myself and my hubby. And this is like a big beach towel that we can put on the beach, the sand. And these are flip-flops for hubby. And this is a beach wagon. Yeah, you put like stuff that you need for the beach and just like drag it to the beach. Yeah, this is a really good part. And this is not new. Like this is like baby bath that we use every day. And yeah, like after beach she needs a bath, obviously. So like we're gonna take this with us. So these are everything we're gonna take. So that's my pack with me video. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye-bye. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. And please follow me on Instagram. And yeah. Bye. See you in next video. Bye.